Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's apply the differentiation rules in computing the derivative of this given function. Let us apply the newly learned and proven rules on differentiating sum or difference of functions together with the previously proven theorems such as constant multiple and power in solving or computing the derivative of this given function here. So we have here this function. We have 3x cubed minus 5x squared plus 10. Okay, so we are going to use here the ideas on the rules of differentiating sum and difference, because we have here three different functions: 3x cubed, we have minus 5x squared, and plus 10, or just simply 10. But of course, if you can solve this immediately, then it's good to do that. I'm just showing you here methods and additional discussions for you to be guided for those who need it. Okay, so we can actually look for the derivative of each here. So let's say this is, say for example, this is g of x, this is h of x, this is k of x. Okay, so we are going to have here the derivative of g of x is equal to, this uses constant multiple, as we have here 3 times, and then you will have the power, which is for x cubed. So we are using 2 of them at the same time, constant multiple and the power. So you have here 3x, 3 minus 1. Okay, take note, it's always minus 1. So this is actually equal to 9x squared. For our h of x, you will have again constant multiple, negative 5, times your power for your x squared. So you will have here 2x, 2 minus 1, as you have n times x to the power of n minus 1, which will give you a value equivalent to negative 10x, x to the power of 1, or just simply x. And then for your k of x, since it's 10, this is where we are going to apply here the rules on differentiating a constant, the very first rule that we have proven. So automatically its first derivative is actually equal to 0. This is for derivative of the constant. So basically for these discussions as well, we use the first three proven rules of differentiation. We have the constant multiple, and then we have here the power. And then we're going to combine them on the previously discussed rules on differentiating our sum or difference. So you have f prime of x, simply add the results. So you have here 9x squared plus, don't worry about negative, we're just going to change it later on, and then plus 0. Or better yet, the first derivative is just 9x squared minus 10x. This is the differentiation of this given function. Now we use all of the first 4 rules, but then again, if you can solve this immediately, you may do that. Some of you might do this faster than the previous method. So you will have here 3 times 3x 3 minus 1, then you have here minus 5 times 2 times x to the power of 2 minus 1, and plus 0. Well, it depends on you which you think is faster and easier. So you have 9x squared minus 10x and plus 0, so you will have this, still the same result. Just this first result was a result of applying the first 4 rules on differentiation. Thank you very much for watching. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now.